Welcome on YouTube, it's your boy Click Man, and we're back with another video. This one is a little different though. This one, it's coming from a show, and I don't love watch reality TV. I don't even know what to say. It's the fact that it's funny, but it's fake, and then you don't know what parts are fake. Some are real, some are this and that. But anyways, if you guys have watched Love Is Blind, then you know who SK and Raven are, right? And I'm not gonna lie, you know, yeah, they're characters on the show, so I definitely did root for them the most because I thought it was just other than some things I heard Raven say or whatever the case was, I thought they were a decent enough couple. You know what I mean? Um, Looks wise, some people would feel like SK, was the lesser half in that department of the relationship, but then it's coming out that this guy cheated. So, that's what we're going to be looking at today, man. The drama involving these people, because it's kind of funny, man. These shows are pretty entertaining. I can't lie. Even if it's real or not, it is funny. So, guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about these cheating allegations and whatnot, man. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Nobody surprised. Raven and SK released statements late Sunday.
We're sent to announce that. Oh, why did they start with a message like that? Like somebody died. Like, you guys, alright. We're saddened to announce that we have decided to go our separate ways due to an ongoing legal proceedings surrounding the allegations. We cannot provide additional details, and ask that you please respect our privacy during this time. Nobody's gonna respect your privacy. You guys went on TV and you announced your relationship to the world. You cannot get that. Thank you for following our love story and believing in us. Some people did, some people don't. This journey has forever shaped our lives, and we are so grateful for everyone who has been a part of it. Your love and support means everything. All right, bullshit.
A night, 4 hours ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
That they have officially broken up. We're sad to announce that we have decided to go separate ways due to ongoing legal proceedings surrounding these allegations. We cannot provide additional details and ask that you please respect our privacy.
I think the allegations are directly the fact that people are saying he's cheated, and I guess in a marriage, like I guess maybe it's an annulment thing, or how does the divorce work at this point is what I would want. What I would want to know,
guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, guys. So both Raven and SK posted this on their Instagram.
The same story
amidst allegations that SK has been canoodling with a thick blonde by the name of Hannah Beth Style. Okay.
Oh,
guys,
sheesh.
What are my thoughts on this situation?
Hannah's
well,
outside
this Hannah Beth Style chick, she mentioned that her and SK have had a situationship, and she confirmed that they never were in a relationship. So
okay,
she's definitely not the victim in the story. No matter how much she tries to twist this,
like she was being
not
used.
the victim in this story, because
somebody's always the victim in any story, man. Even if it doesn't exist and everybody's like wrong, somebody will want to be that role. It's crazy.
Confesses that she
do love Givenchy.
and SK were never officially together at any point. They were travel buddies. They had some sort of an arrangement.
Nigga, what? Travel buddies? What the hell is even that?
Friends with benefits. I don't know. Sugar daddy, sugar baby. I don't know.
Oh shit. Yo, that was the thing I wasn't sure about. Is SK like, is he fucking stacking paper like that? Like, because when Raven even tried to say in the show, like, oh, even if you're not living here, you have to pay for my rent. Which I would never fucking do that. I don't know if you guys would, but I was wondering, like, does nigga have money like that? If she's gonna say something like that, it must be for a reason.
They got something going on, okay? So me personally, I don't feel sorry for this chick.
Okay, Hannah.
Why didn't this chick come out to Raven sooner?
Yeah.
Why now? You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like what you see when a chick sees somebody else happy and then they become jealous, right? Now there's allegations that SK and Raven, their relationship was fake. I don't think their relationship was fake. I think initially it may have been fake, because let's be honest, it's not a secret that to stay on the Love Is Blind show,
gotta be relevant. We know this.
You got to get married, right? You got to keep the publicity going, right? But I think that
and I also think it's in the script that you have to get to the altar, because some people are like, oh, why did Bartise do this? Why did he wait till the altar? I think it is actually a part of the show. Like if you go through with that part that you want to get married, you have to get to the altar and either say no there. I feel like that's a
Eventually,
part
what
of it.
happened was, you know,
Did this nigga just like her picture mid
as
video?
SK and Raven hung out more, they really genuinely got to know each other and like each other because
I think so too. I do agree with that. It seemed like they were distant at first, and they started to compliment each other after. Like opposites do attract, and they were fucking opposite.
Initially SK wasn't Raven's type. As they spent more time together, you could see that SK was breaking those walls down. No pun intended. You know what I'm saying?
I see what he's saying.
you know. But yeah, I mean, but who would have thought that SK is a super player? Listen,
honestly,
listen, man, my homie SK right now, all I know is this. SK's innocent, man, until more facts come out. You know what I'm saying?
SK is innocent.
But let's say SK is a player, right? Why are people shocked? It's always the one guy that you don't expect to be a super player that is, because you never see it coming.
Yeah.
Right? And SK fits the bill. Smart guy.
And he's quiet. That nigga he don't really wear, he doesn't wear the cards, that shit is hidden. That shit is tough.
Nerd, cunning. And you know what made me realize that SK was a player? When SK said something along the lines of the reunion show, like, yo, I expect my girl to get hit on all the time. When you're dealing with baddies, it comes with the territory. And when he said that, I was like, because that's not something that a guy who doesn't deal with baddies, and for those of you who don't know what a baddie is like a rape.
100%. If you're talking to a girl that's attractive, guys are gonna hit on her, and if you get those type of girls often enough, you're not going to be fucking getting mad about everything. You know what I mean? Like, he was right. He wants people to look at his girl. She is good looking. It's almost like a props to you type of thing. Some guys feel from that, obviously, right? So he's definitely right.
Even a beautiful woman, right? A woman that is just gorgeous, right? That's just not something that a woman that's a baddie would do. You feel me? Like a guy like SK wouldn't do. You know what I'm saying?
I agree.
So what I mean by that is a guy like SK has experience with beautiful women. But this whole thing about going on trips and all that, I don't know nothing about that, bro. Like, that to me, that just sounds like some sugar daddy stuff and all of that.
100% it does. I think that girl's
So for me, what do I think about this situation?
I think she's talking shit.
I think that at the end of the day, SK and Raven, I think initially, and this goes for the rest of the cast, they're all there just to, get some fame and clout. You know what I mean? And then what happened with SK and Raven,
bro, realistically, man, you're looking for love, you're not going there, man. Maybe a little private speed dating here and there and shit. Not to put your fucking life to the fucking public like that. That's so odd, you know what I mean? But maybe for Brennan, who's a waste man, in my opinion. But I'm surprised he got on the show, to be honest. But yeah, I think some people would do it desperately enough. But I feel like the people that do typically get attention, sure, the experiment sounds great. You're not seeing somebody and you get to know them for their personality. But at the end of the day, man, all that shit goes out the window when you see each other. It don't matter. You can say, oh yeah, man, I love this person for their personality, but if they physically are not appealing to you, especially from the guy side, right? Because for guys, it's more, at first, it's definitely more physical. Like, that's the first thing. And with anybody, I should say. Even with females, if she sees a guy approach her and she does not like what he looks like, not even if he's just, not even like he's like ugly. If she just doesn't like how he's put together, she's not going to give him the time of day, man. You know what I mean? And that's just how it is. It's human nature.
I think that they generally start to like each other, but SK still had an itch for other women and whatnot, and that doesn't shock nor surprise girl just wanted to get the clout out of it too. That SK got caught up. You know what I'm saying?
Caught up.
But this chick, I mean, looking at her pictures, bruh, I mean, I get sugar baby vibes. I'm not gonna lie, bro.
Yeah, she do look like she traveled a lot.
I get sugar baby vibes. You know what I'm saying?
You might be right. Who
Anyway, guys,
knows?
let me know what you think. More to come, and I'm out. Peace.
Honestly, I don't know if it's like the way people are putting it out to be like he was cheating. This girl definitely came up super late and started coming out with this shit. So I think she really just wants attention. But I think even from the reunion or whatever, you know, I think SK. I thought initially he was gonna be soft and he was gonna let her run him because he didn't get girls that look like her. But once he has and once he's had that experience, that would never fly, right? Because you'd be like, okay, if you think that's gonna happen, you're dead wrong. And that's what he basically told her, and that's why he didn't marry her. So the cheating things, I mean, maybe we don't know them, and obviously they're characters in a show, really. So we can't say yes or no, but you can't put that past anybody. Like anybody can do anything, you know what I mean? But if it wasn't working, it wasn't working. I don't see why they won't. I'm sure eventually we will know exactly what happened. But for now, I guess people are sticking to the cheating thing. But let me know what you guys think, man. Appreciate you for watching. I'll see you guys later.